studied about the comparison between the chordates and non-chordates. So next, as I said in the last video, we'll learn about the table. The table was subphylum Vertebrata in further divided as follows. And after that, I'm explaining you about the class Cyclostomata. As I said, the Cyclostomata is the only one class which is present in the Agnatha, in which it is the lax of jaws. In the page number 47 of your new NCERT biology textbook, the exercise is 4.2.11.1 class Cyclostomata. So let me start. All living members of this class Cyclostomata are ectoparasites on some fishes. Now what is this the meaning of the ectoparasite? Ecto means outside and endoparasite it means inside. Ectoparasite. Why? Why is this happening? Because for the food, need of food. This Cyclostomata class which is there, it is a jawless vertebrate. The best example is Petromyzon. The fish known as Petromyzon is the best example for the jawless fish, in which it is the ectoparasite on the other mammals. Other mammals, it means the big fishes just like the shark which is there. This Petromyon fish which is there, it will just attack it from the outside for the shark. The purpose is just for the need of food because it is a jawless. So the point, all living members of the class Cyclostomata are ectoparasites on some fishes. They have an elongated body bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits for respiration. Now for this Petromyon, the fish which is there, for the fishes of Cyclostomata which all are there, they are having 6 to 15 pairs for the respiration. The gills of 6 to 15 pairs of gills are present for the respiration. Gill slits are present. And you have to mention the gill slits only. If you mention the gills, you can't get the marks. Cyclostomas have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. As in the last video I had said you, without jaws, the mouth of the fish will be totally circular open, which is directly ectoparasites, which are known as, they can directly attack the shark. Now, their body is devoid of scales and paired fins. The fins which are there and the devoid of scales, it will be very much in the the class Cyclostomata. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulation is of close type. Cyclostomas are marine but migrate for swimming to fresh water. This is a main point you have to mention in your answer sheet if this question is asked you for 2 or 3 marks, or maybe in the 5 marks also, it depends in the class Cyclostomata. The point which is that circulation is of close type. It will be for half or 1 mark. And then cyclostomas are marine. Cyclostomatas which are there, all are marine, but to migrate, they migrate to in the other water just because swapping, they go to fresh water. Again they might come back to marine or they will be dead there only. After swapping, within a few days they die. Within a few days they will die. Their larval after metamorphosis return to the ocean. The larval which will be there after metamorphosis, it will again return back to the ocean. The best example is Pretomzon, which is lamprey, and Maxine, which is known as hagfish. So next we are going to learn about the class Chondrichthyes in the next video. Hope you understand this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any of the doubts, comment on the post site. Thank you.